Guten Mittag aus Deutschland. That means good afternoon from Germany. I was close to the German border and I had some time to spare. I finished for the day, and so I thought, why not take you guys with me on a walk through this small little town called Emmerich. Emmerich is really close to the German border. Look at this church. And it's next to the Rhine river, and it's really close to the German border, Dutch border, as I said. So a lot of people go shopping here because Germany is way cheaper than the Netherlands. It's a cool church. We're already next to the river here. I don't really know what I'm gonna show you guys because I've never been here. So let's explore together. There's a huge bridge here, and maybe we can spot some cool boats or something, I don't know. Let's check it out. It's already the first cargo ship. I hope it stays dry. It's a bit cloudy. Okay, look at that bridge. It's pretty cool. So this is the mighty Rhine river. It starts in the Alps and ends in Rotterdam on the Dutch coast. Check it out. See the church. Okay, there's a nice walkway next to the river here. There's also one down here, but I think this is a better view. I wonder how high this water can get. Look at all those cargo boats. Also the bridge in the background. Is this a thumbnail? Thumbnail clock? Something like this. I don't know. You can see there is some current here. The Alps are over there, and the North Sea is over there to our right. I think this is my first time next to a big river like this. I've driven over them on bridges like that, but that's about it, I think. Okay, so I think this is a tour boat. It's going on Sunday between 12 and 3 o'clock. Not much happening here. It's also halfway April, and it's a Monday afternoon. I'm gonna do more vlogs in Germany. Planning to go to the Alps in like 2 months, and it's totally different from where I live in Friesland. It's pretty flat in the northern part of the Netherlands. Look at this architecture, so different. People have a great view over the river here. It's a Dutch cargo boat, Dutch flag on the back. So we're on the Promenade Promenade, how do you say it? Next to the Rhine, in this little German city called Emmerich. Probably in the summer there's way more livelihood here. But just how I like it right now, I see a tower up there. Check it out. That restaurant over there has schnitzels that I already ate. Maybe you can see it. I spilled on my white shirt. Got this from Temu for 10 bucks. Okay, a lot of restaurants here. Maybe these are also hotel rooms, I don't know. There's a little container port over there. I see a huge statue over there, right in front. Let's check it out. Also a lot of crows. Okay, I probably have to practice my German here. Der ist ein Mann, der sterben kann für Gott und Vaterland, dem Abend. There is one man who can die for God and Fatherland. Den gefallenen Helden, bedankbare, I don't know what the lowest word is. The fallen heroes, thankful something. Editing Marty is probably gonna say what it is. Okay. Holy crow. Sorry. Okay. Cool statue. Big statue. Okay, Germany was of course involved in 2 world wars. So maybe it's for that. I don't know. Before that, they also had a war with France in the late 19th century, 1800 something. Okay. On that sign there, street sign, says Hinter der alten Kirche. That means behind the old church. So I guess this is the old church. It's quite a nice town here. Nice old tree here next to the church. That's a cool tower. Let's see where this street goes. It's a pedestrian zone. Probably the shopping district. Maybe because it's on Monday a lot of stores are closed. At least in the Netherlands a lot of stores are closed on Monday morning. Oh, we're back at the church here. Tons of old people here playing bingo. Should I join them? I feel old. I'm only 38. Some cool houses here. Okay, anyway, this is we can do a nice comparison when I'm in 2 months I go to Bavaria, to the Alps. Let's see how different architecture is. Stuff like that. Another cool little square. I see a barber here with prices on the window. Now I haven't been in a barber in like 6 years, since whenever I shave this off. Let's see. Baardfarben, that means probably paint my beard. €9. Only beard, €11. But they're free today, they're closed. Said on the window. Now, not gonna lie, I paint my beard because I'm getting grey as fuck. That's why I said I'm getting old. Fat, bald, grey beard. Okay. Alright, we're on the main square here, or the market square, where I parked my car. It was a cool little walk in a little town, village in Germany. If you enjoy this, let's get some nice background here. If you enjoy this, please drop a like and subscribe to see more small little vlogs like this. Just take you guys with me on a peaceful walk, which I mostly do. Peaceful walks, bicycle rides, explore cities, stuff like that, towns. And I'm heading back to the Netherlands. And see you at the next one. From Germany, the little town called Emmerich, I say auf Wiedersehen.